Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Pluxee card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step one is activate your card first before you can use it, so you must activate it. So you want to go ahead and go to mypluxee.com.au or download the app and then select your country. Click on I have an account and go through there to log in or register your account. So follow prompts to activate your card. You'll need your card number and activation code, and now this is usually sent via email or SMS. Now for me, you want to go ahead and add funds or check balance. So your card may already come preloaded from your employer or program. So log into your Pluxee account or app to check your balance and recent transactions. You can manually not top up the card unless your program allows it. Most are preloaded by your employer. Now, where can you use it? So the Pluxee card works only at approved merchants depending on your benefit type. So meal or food card used at cafes, restaurants, supermarkets or food delivery services, or wellbeing or lifestyle card. So you can use this at gyms, pharmacies, health stores, etc. Look for the Visa logo and tap to pay when contactless payments are accepted. Also, you can add it to your Google Wallet. So for Android or Apple Wallet for iPhone, just go ahead and click on the plus icon, choose payment card, and then go ahead and click on your credit or debit card and then just go through the process of doing this. It's blacked out because I can't record on my screen for security purposes. Then from here we can go ahead and manage your card. So from the Pluxee app or website, you can view your transaction history, freeze or block your card if it's lost, update personal info or PIN.